Good evening, doctors. Myself, Dr. Hemant. As you all know very well, our today's topic is GCS, Glasgow Coma Scale. This scale we are going to use in head injury patient. The minimum score of this scale is 3 and the maximum points score is 15. In this year, AIMS November 2018 exam also they ask question, and remember, if you know the lecture GCS, according to me, 100% sure I am you are going to solve one MCQ in any exam. You carry in a pocket one MCQ with GCS score. So I am going to explain, and I have some mnemonics prepared for you. Like there is a C, firstly eye opening. So remember ESSPN channel, ESSPN channel. We are going to remember. So E is a eye opening. No, no points. Then SSPN. So then here eye opening SSPN. So start from here. E for eye opening, S for spontaneous, when a patient opens eye spontaneously. Then second point is sound here. Sound replies, you say hello, hello, and then he opens eyes, that is sound S. And P, if you give painful stimulus, some twitching or something, then painful eye opening is P. And N for nil. So how to represent here is score. If nil, GCS score 1 in eye opening. If pain, GCS score 2. And if S with sound, his opening eyes score is 3. And second is spontaneous, automatically open, that is score 4. In eye opening we have total 12 score. Total 4 score, sorry. In eye opening we have 4 score. I hope understand this mnemonic. And second mnemonic I prepared, that is vocane. Vocane means verbal response. Verbal response by he is speaking in what manner. So V, I can take this pen. This is VOCAIN. Vocane. Their total 5 score. So V for verbal response. This pen. O for he is oriented. Oriented means patient able to speak perfectly. Oriented. Vocane. C is for patient here is confused. He is confused. VOCA. A for inappropriate. A for inappropriate. Vocane. CAI for incomprehensible. Inappropriate means hello, hello, such inappropriate. This is incomprehensive, means not able. N for nil. To total 5 score. VPAN. OCAIN. So N is nil. Nil is 1. Then is incomprehensive. Inappropriate is 3. And confusion is 4. And oriented is 5 score. I hope it's. And those patients in this exam, they ask, a patient is intubated. When patient is intubated, endotracheal tube, mechanical ventilation, he is on mechanical ventilation, then this score is nil. Why nil? Because he can't speak nothing. That's why the score is nil. I hope it's clear for you. Then another score we are going to use my old band. My old band is a mnemonic. So I take this pen, my old, this cap, and band. OLDBEN. 6 score in motor response. Motor response means movement by body. This is known as in the GCS score. Okay, motor. So my I take this pen. My represent here motor response. Then old, O for obeys. He obeys the command. Please lift this hand there, lift this hand there. This is obeys. This is include a 6 point. Then old, L, O-L-D, L means localized. He localized the pain there, here. He localized and stab. Then D represent here withdrawn. Withdrawn. When we pinch something, he withdraws. Reflex. Withdraws. Reflex means go away. If we give slap to him, he withdraws. that means D point. Then bend, B for bending. Bending means he is bending in this way, severely tight. This is known as extension position. Then old, BE, E, bending is bend in a manner, and extension in this way. Bending is flexion, not extension. Bending is a flexion. This is a flexion position. And then BE, E for extension. Extension means body parts in this way of patient. This is extension. N is nail. So I hope it's clear for you. Again I am showing my fingers. My is motor response. O, this is a 6 point. This is obeys. L, O, L means localized. This is 5th point. O, D is withdrawal from painful stimulus. Bend, B for bending, it means flexion. This is 3rd point. Then bend, E represent here extension, that is known as flexion, it's bending, and extension, this is known as this is 6th point, 5th point, 4th point, 3rd point, 2nd point, and nail is a 1 point. Bend. I hope it's clear for you, this mnemonic ESSPN, then Woken, then my old band. This is the GCS score criteria you have to remember. And 1 score for those patients, those who are intubated or on mechanical ventilation because they can't able to speak, that's why score 1. And I hope it's clear for you. I already tried my best to explain the GCS score. And if you want to watch GCS score in a written, then I already make GCS score lecture made by Dr. Hemant. You can write on YouTube GCS score lecture by Dr. Hemant on YouTube. Then you find in a written form. And this I am explaining coming in front of camera. And finally I want to say, if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Have a good day. Goodbye. That's all for today. And this is a very easy trick to solve MCQ. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you.